Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren, and this right here is Vlogmas Day 1. So y'all, I decided to make this video my cheat video for Vlogmas because all I'm doing is telling y'all what I'm doing for Vlogmas. I'm gonna tell y'all what Vlogmas with Naturally Lauren will consist of, okay? So I do plan on posting a video every single day all the way up until Christmas, so the full 25 days. A video every day for 25 days. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm like super anxious to do it, but I can do it. I can do it. I can stick to this and I can do it. So Vlogmas with Naturally Lauren, Vlogmas 2019, whatever you want to call it, it's going to consist of a bunch of different videos. First of all, my birthday is in December. My birthday is December 5th. So Vlogmas Day 5, I'm going to have a special type of video on that day. And then I just have multiple different videos that's already recorded that I did, not specifically for Vlogmas, but I knew it would fit. I knew it would fit in with Vlogmas very well. So I have some videos like that, but mostly you're gonna get, hair videos, tutorials. You're gonna get hair tips, my usual stuff. But I do plan on doing a few like I said, chit chat, get ready with me here and there, because I don't do that often. And as you can see, and as you will see throughout Vlogmas, your girl can beat her face. She does a really good job. She does her eyebrows herself. Like literally, she shapes them herself. And if you want to see how I shape my eyebrows myself, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for Vlogmas, okay? Because in Vlogmas, I'm going to show y'all how I shape my own eyebrows. And if you have been subscribed to me, then you know I have some bushy eyebrows, So that's just some of the different stuff I'm going to give you. Also, I plan on doing different tags and stuff so you can get to know me. And then I have a few different videos that's birthday related to my birthday. Although my birthday is in 4 days, I do have birthday related videos. I have videos telling you more about myself and just so on and so forth. I really do feel like this is going to be a very successful Vlogmas. I really didn't want to do, I wanted to do it last year, but I wasn't good with time management. I'm still so poor at time management. And then I just didn't have the motivation to do it. Like I wanted to, but I didn't have the motivation. I was so ready for Vlogmas this year, although I procrastinated pre-recording, completely procrastinated it. Like I'm literally filming this. I was saying, where's my phone? I'm recording on it. It is literally 5-something December 1st. And that video needs to be up. It's probably going to be up by 10. I don't know. I hope not, but we'll see. But my time management skills, I just plan on doing Vlogmas this year, even though I didn't do it last year. I just plan on being better at it. And the goal, I'm posting every single day. I would prefer to have everything up the day it's supposed to be up. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to post 2 videos in one day because I forgot to get a video up the day before. And also, I have today, right now, I have 173 subscribers. By the end of Vlogmas, I would love to have 200. I don't know if it's possible to get 27. I think that's 20. I don't know if it's possible to get 27 subscribers in 25 days for me personally. But you know what? I'm going to try. I'm still going to post every day. Right now, I have a few videos ready, for sure. Not ready. I have a few videos recorded that need to be finished editing, More of what I'm saying is I am getting my ducks in a row to fulfill this. And I know this is my cheat video, but I really did want to just tell y'all what I was planning to do. let me know, comment down below what videos you all would personally like to see. Would you all like to see my products stashed in my previous videos? You know, all my products are typically behind me. Nowadays I like recording on my bed, it's just more comfortable, but I do set up and do videos over there as well. And then yeah, and y'all know I work with Grow Vita Hair Solutions. I'm a brand ambassador. I have my discount code down below, but I'm a brand ambassador for Grow Vita Hair Solutions. So I'll have videos for them as well this month, and just other videos I never posted of using their hair stuff. Bunch of different wash and goes. I will have a puff tutorial. I will have a video up of this look. It's just so many videos that I have in my mind that I just need to plan to execute. I feel like I got everything I need for this first week, so day 1 through day 7. Feel like I got all those locked and loaded. I'm good on that. It's just next week and the week after that and the week after that and the week after that I'm like a little shaken up about. But yeah, I'm just talking, kind of expressing what's on my mind at the moment about Vlogmas. But again, if you have any videos you all would like to see during Vlogmas, no matter what it is, if you want to see videos that's more personal, I do plan on doing another Let's Be Real type of video that I haven't posted in forever. Look back on my channel if you don't know what a Let's Be Real video is. I will link my previous one up above and down below, but I do those as well. I have one, I guess, ready. I don't know if I want to post it though, because I feel like it may be touchy to some people. I talk about race and colorism in it, so I don't really know if that's appropriate, but you know, that's real in America. So you know, so I'm just really, the goal is just to really be real, you know what I mean? Like and again I didn't say this, but I'm doing Vlogmas obviously, but I know it's called Vlogmas, so ideally you would post a vlog every single day. As y'all know, I'm not a vlogger. I would love to vlog, you know, one day, but I don't have the equipment to vlog. I don't even think I have like suitable editing equipment either to vlog. And then I just have a boring life. I barely leave my house, like literally. So my life isn't where it needs to be a vlogger. But although y'all won't get vlogs every day, y'all will get all them other videos that I said every day. So a hair tutorial, chit-chat, get ready with me, let's be real, a tag video, a product review video. And I worked with a hair extension brand on Instagram. I did some sponsored content for them on Instagram, but I plan on uploading those as well during Vlogmas, you know. I don't know if I like promote them because I'm not getting paid for these videos, but either way, I'm still gonna post them because the hair looks I did with that were bomb, and they'll be awesome Christmas hair ideas for y'all out there that actually use weaves. So I just have a lot of ideas, a lot of all of that, and I'm just super excited to do this. I really do hope my channel grows from doing this. I really hope my channel benefits. But yeah, I'm so sorry this video was everywhere. I just really tried to condense everything in my brain down to under 10 minutes, so I don't know. I'm sorry if it didn't make sense. I'm sorry if y'all think it's a waste of time, but I just wanted to let y'all know what to expect from your girl Naturally Lori from Vlogmas. And I do plan on posting every day on Instagram as well, just a personal goal of mine that doesn't necessarily have anything to do with Vlogmas, but that's just a personal goal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and you're excited for Vlogmas 2019 with your girl Lauren, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Comment down below anything, preferably video ideas, preferably, but you know, comment down below if you like this beat I did. Comment down below. Also share this video with a friend, please. Just share it with a friend. We're trying to grow it over here. And speaking of growing my channel, subscribe if you aren't subscribed, please. Like I just said, the goal is 200 by the end of Vlogmas or before New Year. On New Year, you know, trying to get to 200, so please help me get there. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video, y'all. Bye.